And the excitement during the Fox and Friends program was boosted by one especially spirited group. The University of Central Florida brought their cheerleaders and their dancers to the event, and both squads were happy to be in the Villages. In fact, for two members of the dance team, the trip was a homecoming.
The Villages is my hometown. I grew up here from the time I was really little. My parents still work here. My brother still goes to school here. So it's really exciting to be back here in the Villages with all of the spirit. We know that, the Villagers are all really supportive of UCF, so we're excited.
While at Lake Sumter Landing, the group took full advantage of the chance to show their spirit. The dancers were constantly moving to the beat of a marching band, and the cheerleaders tossed several stunts into the air for the national audience. Although they participate in public events regularly, this particular venue made it extra special for junior Keely Zimmerman.
We were so excited. We get to do a lot of cool events like this through UCF, so when we found out that we were actually getting to come back to our hometown and do an event in the Villages, we were thrilled. Jordan and I both.
And the event also presented members of the Villages High School Choir with the chance of a lifetime as they took the stage with legendary rock band Foreigner. Together, they performed a medley of hits including Feels Like the First Time and I Want to Know What Love Is. And then a handful of villagers got to have a rock star moment too when the band invited them up on stage for a performance of Double Vision.